While it may be an exaggeration to say that a Hawker 900 XP should be included in the dictionary under the definition of mid-sized business jet, it would be a poor one. The 900 XP's origins can be traced back to the 1962 Havilland DH125. It offers a spacious cabin with seating for up to 9 passengers, long-range capability, and luxurious features. The Hawker 900 XP is a great choice for those who demand the best in private aviation. So let's take a closer look at this incredible aircraft and see what makes it special. History and overview. The engines on this medium executive jet by Hawker Beechcraft are made by Honeywell, and the jet itself is manufactured by Hawker Beechcraft. It debuted on the market in 2009 and features a single Collins RTA-853 radar and dual Collins TBR-943 transponders as standard equipment. It has a maximum weight of 28,000 pounds and has room for a total of 8 passengers in addition to a crew of 2 pilots. This model has 9 different versions, well, some of them including the Hawker 750, the Hawker 800, and the first production model land, the Hawker 800 XP. It comes equipped with the avionics listed below: integrated avionics processor system, dual AHC 3000 attitude heading computers, Collins EFIS with 4 8 inches by 10 inches adapted flight displays, AFDs, master warning system, and precise flight pulse light assist integrated with the traffic collision avoidance system, TCAS, and the low Presti boom beam taxi or landing system. Interior. The Hawker 900 XP's board appeal is primarily due to the fact that it has the most spacious cabin in its class. This twin-engine corporate jet has a spacious cabin that measures over 21 feet in length and nearly 6 feet in width, making it ideal for business travelers who value their personal space. In addition, it has a headroom of 5 feet and 9 inches, which enables most passengers to stand up inside the cabin. A galley and a fully enclosed bathroom that includes a washroom are both included in the cabin. Additionally, the cabin is equipped with the AirCell Access 2 satellite communication system so that passengers can stay connected even while on the flight. Compared to the 850 XP, the basic configuration of the cabin has not changed, but the amount of space available for luggage has been increased to 50 cubic feet. There are models available with modified cabins that accommodate more passengers or luggage. One of these models even has an optional configuration that can seat 6 people. Even though it is one of the business jets utilized most frequently for executive charters, the 900 XP is an excellent choice for families interested in traveling in the most opulent manner. Hawker 900 XP design. The Hawker 900 XP is based on the design of the Hawker 800 and 850, but it features composite winglets that were designed by Hawker Beechcraft to improve aerodynamic performance. These winglets were added to the design of the Hawker 900 XP. In order to improve the aircraft's aerodynamic performance, winglets made of a lightweight and strong composite material are installed. The outwardly canted winglets were custom designed and sized to provide significant performance improvements without negatively impacting the inspection schedules for the airframe. The wing's leading edge is made of metal, and it continues along the entire length of the polished edge of the wing light, providing a seamless transition from the wing to the winglet. The conventional strobe assembly and the LED position lights are integrated within the winglet's contour, leaving the winglet's external surface uninterrupted. Additional advantages brought by installing the winglets include an enhanced capability for climbing the second segment, improved time decline, increased range, and improved fuel efficiency. The payload and fuel flexibility offered by the Hawker 900 XP is one of the aircraft's many strengths. The 900 XP's design weights allow for a maximum payload of over 2,000 pounds, typically equal to 9 passengers. This is made possible by the vehicle's lightweight construction. The maximum allowable payload when the fuel tank is full is 1,700 pounds. This allows the 900 XP to carry a full complement of 8 passengers along with their baggage and still have the capability of carrying an additional 100 pounds of payload when the fuel tank is full. Flight deck. The Rockwell Collins Pro Line 21 Avionics Suite, which features 4 high-resolution active matrix liquid crystal displays measuring 8 inches by 10 inches and is standard on the Hawker 900 XP, is installed in the aircraft, abbreviated as AMLCD. The avionics suite is comprised of a dual FMS 6000 flight management system, an enhanced ground proximity warning system or EGPWS, a traffic alert and collision avoidance system, an engine indicating system, an integrated flight information system, and a turbulence detection weather radar. Digital radios, a high-frequency communication system with cell count, and a single HF 9000 high-frequency communication system are all part of the Rockwell Collins Pro Line 21 communication, navigation, and surveillance CNS system. A greater awareness of the surrounding environment is afforded to the pilot by the head-up guidance system. Hawker 900 XP engines. The Hawker 900 XP is powered by the next generation TFR 731-50R engines that have a flat rating of 4,660 pounds of thrust each. This results in the same level of airfield performance as the Hawker 850 XP that came before it, but also higher departure temperatures. In comparison to the Hawker 850 XP, there is a greater amount of thrust available at higher elevation airfields, which enables a greater amount of weight to be carried, resulting in either a greater payload or increased capacity of fuel. Because of the increased thrust at higher altitudes, the Hawker 900 XP can climb directly to its maximum operating altitude of 41,000 feet in just 25 minutes when it is loaded to its maximum capacity for takeoff. When compared to the older 731-5BR, the newer model's ability to climb directly to the final cruise altitude, in conjunction with its improved fuel efficiency, results in overall trip times that are shorter and lower operating costs. In addition, the TFR 731-50R engine has a time before the overall of 6,000 hours, which translates to reduced costs for the engine. Auxiliary Power Unit. The Hawker 900 XP comes outfitted with the Honeywell Aerospace GTCP 36-150 Auxiliary Power Unit, APU, as its standard auxiliary power unit. It is not necessary to start the aircraft's primary engines in order for the auxiliary power unit to work. APU to supply electrical power and air conditioning to the aircraft while it is parked at the airport because the unit has been fully approved for use in flight up to an altitude of 30,000 feet. Before we move on to the purchase and charter price, please make sure to hit that subscribe button to not miss out on a look at the next big jet we've got for you. Purchase and charter price. The initial purchase price for the 900 XP was $16 million before any options were added. However, the price for a used model is now between $4 and $7 million, and the charter price ranges from $4,000 to $5,000 per hour. The total fixed cost is approximately $200,000 to $300,000 per year, and the average hourly operating cost is estimated to be between $3,000 and $3,600. If this jet impresses you, then you should definitely click on this video here to watch inside the $24 million Gulfstream G280, the best mid-size jet. And we hope to see you there. Bye!